pull this clip, pull this clip, pull this clip, wiggle up. Turn it on its side. Remove 16 and 16. Make sure, remember to jack the vehicle. Still got the two 16s 18 out. Here, 18 there. Remove those two. Remember to put a piece of rubber on the jack before jacking up the motor because of the plastic oil pans. Now remove the mount. Go ahead and install this 18, install that 18, install the two 16s, install the 13 millimeter. Torque specs, 40 Newton meters, 40 Newton meters, 40, 40, 40. Next, push this clip down here, push the reservoir clips into there. There we go. All right, now everything is installed.